Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you send from your Revolut to PayPal account. So let's get into the video. So if you open up your Revolut application, so log into your account, you'll notice that there is no actually direct way to transfer to straight away directly to your PayPal account. So that's at the moment it's not available to send it to any PayPal account. So the workaround that we have here is like we can either like break this process into two parts. So firstly, what we're going to do is we're going to send from our Revolut account to our bank account. So how we're going to do that is once you're logged into your Revolut account, what you're going to do here is click on the transfer tab here. So you have the transfer tab underneath. So click on transfer, and then on your top right, click on the add new option. So here click on bank recipient and then add in the bank details that's been connected to your PayPal. Okay, that the details of the account that you have connected or linked to your PayPal. So add that here and then add the amount you want to send, and then process this transaction. So in this way your funds will be transferred from your Revolut account to your local bank account. So once this is done, once you're done with that, then what you can do is now you can go to your PayPal, like open up your PayPal. So you can go to your PayPal and open up your PayPal. So what you're going to do now here is you're going to like add money. All right, if you go to your payment balance, all right, and then what you're going to do, you're going to type in add money. All right, so click on add money, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to transfer the same amount that you just transferred from your Revolut account to your bank account. You're going to input the same amount, all right, for example, so same amount, and then what you're going to do, you're going to add it from your bank account. So as you have already transferred your funds from your Revolut to your bank account that's linked to your PayPal, so now we are going to transfer from that bank account to our PayPal account. So select your bank account and then click on add money and then process with the transaction. So in that way your money will be now transferred to your PayPal account. So in summary, your initial amount of money from your your Revolut account is now available on your PayPal account through your bank account, as there is no direct ways to transfer directly to your PayPal account. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this information video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.